Hey everyone, Tom here. Welcome back to another driving me video. Today's topic is a topic that I wanted to talk about for quite some time now. It sort of relates to my last video, which is my future plans for my next car, which I plan to get quite soon. This is a video on what is my dream car, not future car. Well, my future car is to get a flying car. But considering they're not invented yet, and I've got no idea when they are going to be invented, let's stick to a car that's already on the market. Now, as a kid, I've always looked at getting a Lamborghini or a McLaren or something ridiculous like that. But now I've kind of grown up a bit. Sort of thought, that's not really gonna happen as such. Now, my dream car is probably either a McLaren 720S or something like that, one of those. I prefer the McLaren. Actually, I kind of want the McLaren 720S or the McLaren 650S. Is that the new ones coming out? One of those. Okay, so that's my dream car. And I have little levels of this. So you guys know my next car, like an ASX, Mitsubishi ASX. But my next step down from a dream car, if I cannot buy a McLaren 720S or a 650 LT, that's what I'm looking at. I would like a Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Yeah, and I'd fully spec it, and I would love it. Just love that car. That's what I want to get it in. Did I do it blue? I didn't get it black, white, or blue. That's just why I want to get it. But my dream car that I can probably afford would be a 2000 and well, I don't know what year it is, but definitely a Mitsubishi Lance Evo, either 7, 8 or 9. I'm not sure I like the model of the 10, and I would probably mod it quite heavily. Wind deflectors, screamer pipe, all that kind of stuff. I'd have to get someone else to do it for me because I have no idea how to do that stuff. But let's just say this road home is not exactly the best road in the world to drive on in the rain, because it just gets flooded. Well, technically I'm going to see family now, but you know. It's just mad. So yeah, that's kind of my dream cars, like McLaren 720S, McLaren 600 LT, then a Porsche GT3 RS, and a Mitsubishi Evo. And if I couldn't afford any of them, I'd get a truck, straight up truck. Because I like the idea of being high up over everyone. I mean, I say that driving in Corsa, but you know what I mean. I want to feel like I'm high up, look over everyone, and see what I'm doing. It's really coming down now, actually. Like I keep saying in most videos, I do actually love driving in the rain. You guys probably can't even hear me because of the rain, but you know, we'll see what happens. I do need to get a microphone for this camera. I'm going so it's kind of died down now. So yeah, then they're my 4 dream cars. When I first ever wanted a car, like passed my test, was like, I'm gonna get this. I wanted a Mitsubishi Lancer hatchback or something along those lines. But I've always really wanted an Evo. Like, I don't know why. And I started watching this guy called Lee Lockwood, and he's got one, and I was like, oh, I really want that car. But I don't know. That's what my opinion is. I really want a 600 LT, to be fair, McLaren 600 seat LT. But then again, I could also want a McLaren whatever. Sometimes this room's bad. But then again, I could just say that I want a McLaren anything or something else. But if I wanted to get a practical car for a dream car, it would have to be Tesla, really. And I don't really have an opinion on Teslas because it's just kind of bad, but I don't know why I don't have an opinion on a Tesla, but I just don't have an opinion on them. Like, I like them, they look good, and they're fast, and they're like luxury as anything, but they are way too expensive for what they are. I mean, yeah, I understand that the batteries are expensive, and you need to, you know, be able to do stuff with the price. I did actually just because, but we'll just cut out. But it's just way too expensive for like the normal person to buy it, and that's supposed to be the future. I'm rambling a lot right now, but I feel like I need to get this point across. Personally, I like Teslas. They are cool and they do look good, but I don't really want one as my dream car. Even though most people say like, oh yeah, I want a Ford Mustang or Corvette or something like that, or a McLaren, Lamborghini or something. But then going looking back at practical dream cars, you want to get the Lamborghini Urus because it's an SUV and it's fast and it's an SUV, and you know, you can go anywhere in that, but fast, and people like Land Rover Defenders and stuff like that, but I'm not sure I like that kind of stuff. Like, hopefully the battery doesn't run out on this camera like I did in the last video. I just said my battery was exhausted, which is a little bit weird. Right, we're going to get down this a little bit. But hope you guys are enjoying the content. You guys want to leave down below what your guys' dream cars are. Like I said, those are my like 5.1, so the McLaren 720S, the McLaren 600 LT, the Porsche GT3 RS, and the Mitsubishi Evo 789, something like that. But the Evo is like a car that I may be able to get, like, even if it's just for like a little bit. To get one, even if it is like a couple of days or just a track day or something like that. But we'll see. Right, let's see if we can get down this hill. Break down to 40. Always do the speed limit, guys, because you never know when a police car is going to come up behind you. Get you. Being aware for those police car behind me, but it isn't. You guys can see that, I'm just doing that. Another car that I like the look of is the, not the F-Pace, which is what that is. I really like the look of the Jaguar S-Type, F-Type SVR. Oh, that car looks nice. I don't know if you are looking at it, but a YouTuber called Tom Syndicate, most people know him. But he's looking to get a one. There you go, that's what I was talking about, one of the Jag. He's looking to get one, and I admit they are nice. They sound good, they look good, and I'd have one of those as well, but I'd like a Nissan GTR as well. I just want to do a video on like what my like dream garage is, garage, as we say in the UK, or my car shed. Yeah, there's a house there. But yeah, they are my dream cars. McLaren, 2 McLarens, and an Evo, and a Porsche GT3 RS, and a truck, basically. I don't ask for much, I just ask for 2 McLarens, and a Porsche GT3 RS, and an Evo. You know, do we just get all 3 Evos, 7, 8 and 9? Is it snowing? Oh, I don't think it's snowing. But that's going to do it for this video. Hope you guys did enjoy. I enjoyed talking about my dream car. I hope you guys enjoyed listening to me ramble and talk about random stuff for the last 10 minutes. But I hope you guys did enjoy. In the outro, there is a video on the right screen, which is a link to the playlist of all of the driving me videos I've ever done. And on the left of the screen is a YouTube recommended video, especially for you. And hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
See, I remember when I met you as a sophomore. Started out as friends, but I knew that we would want more. Hit your favorite restaurant with your favorite dress on. That's one of my favorite memories.